Low scores on the Revised UBACC could be a result of many factors, as we explain in our When Should I Assess Understanding video. It's possible the participant has a cognitive impairment that's compromising their understanding. They may have limited English proficiency and require translation or interpreter services. Or there may be flaws in the informed consent process, such as poorly written forms or too little time spent covering the information. This video will help you navigate the best course of action when your participants' UBACC scores are low. Your first task when you see a low score is to determine whether the potential participant is capable of understanding the consent information. Ask yourself these questions. 1. What is causing the lack of understanding? And 2. Could the specific information that the participant misunderstood be explained in a better way? You'll need to use your clinical judgment regarding whether to discuss misunderstood information after the assessment if the scores are low.
When scores are low and you think the individual can potentially understand the information, then discussing misunderstood information is your best option.
First, try to educate the potential participant on the information they've misunderstood. Any responses that are not completely accurate should be discussed. Help correct factual errors and improve understanding, and repeat questions they misunderstood to evaluate they genuinely understand the information now. If the participant shows adequate understanding, you can enroll them. If a participant continues to demonstrate inadequate understanding, then you have several options. 1. Try to obtain informed consent on another day if you think their cognitive abilities fluctuate. 2. Ask them to appoint a surrogate decision maker or identify a legally authorized representative. In situations where a legally authorized representative is providing informed consent, it's appropriate to assess their understanding of consent information for studies that are greater than minimal risk. See our video on helping to appoint an LAR.
And 3. If these first two options fail, you may want to consider a third option. Exclude them from participation in the study.
It might feel difficult to exclude a participant. They might feel disappointed, or you might feel pressure to recruit individuals. However, it does not respect patient autonomy or satisfy research regulations to enroll participants who do not understand the research. Check out our free Revised UBACC templates with instructions. There's a version for participants and for legally authorized representatives available for download on the ConsentTools website.